Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule a stream in Kik Streaming. So let's get straight into it. Now before you schedule time, prepare your dashboard so viewers know what to expect. Okay, so go to your Kik Creator dashboard. At the top right corner, click on the profile icon and then you will see Creator Dashboard. Click on that. It will open the page here. Now what you need to do. So what you need to do now is edit stream info. So it's located right here at the top right side, and you click on this pencil here, right here. Now here you will put in the title, some text, category. You will select this one also, and then when you are done, just click save. Now, since there is no automated schedule tab, many creators use their channel offline banner to display their weekly streaming hours. So you can go to the we can go to the settings. So again, click on the profile icon and then go to the settings. And now here under the profile, you will see here offline stream banner where you can update banner image. So that lists your days and times. This is what viewers see when they visit your channel while you are offline. Also, you can announce live stream on other social medias. And yeah, this is pretty much everything that you can do. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.